Hey, what's up? Thank you so much for joining me on SCD8181. This is the review channel, and of course, I like calling it the legacy channel where I go absolutely retro and do things retro, if you know what I mean. Anyway, today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing this, which is the Nissin Hot and Spicy, and the flavor today is gonna be fiery beef with other natural flavors. It says it's going to be ready in 3 minutes. It has its chili sauce in it. I'm already hungry. It's the ramen noodle soup. Instructions are absolutely easy. I think on a scale from 1 to 10, it's a 1 because it's that easy. So 1 being basic or like absolutely basic, and 10 being expert. Okay, so it's 1 out of 10 on the scale on how difficult it is to make it because it's so simple. You don't really need instructions on how to make it because everything is written right here. But I also have a video that I've done a few months ago in relation to this very brand, and pretty much I have reviewed how to make it, how to prepare it. Where some viewers did mention that, hey, you're adding something, I was doing something wrong, where some viewers suggested that I should have added the tastemaker first and something else second, but it doesn't make a difference because everything is going into one pot, and that's the reason why I was like, okay, if you like it that way, you can make it that way. There's no hard and fast rule. You have to do it in a certain way. If you want to put some water first, you could do water first. If you want to put the tastemaker first, you could do tastemaker first, then put water. So it doesn't really make a difference. It's just a simple thing. Anyway, so I'm here to review it rather than actually show how to make it. But nevertheless, for those viewers who felt I was doing it, in a different manner as to what they're used to, I'm gonna prepare this live. Okay, I'm just gonna. Obviously, there's not much to do anyway. So I have some hot water here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it from the top in case you are fresh at the cooking and want to make some ready-made stuff. That this video is going to come in handy for you. So what this comes in, it comes with a tastemaker, and this is it's called Nissin, that's the brand, and it's called the Hot and Spicy Fiery Beef flavor. So that's what it comes in. This is a tastemaker. It also comes with some dried kind of crushed vegetables, and these are dried. And that's really useful though. It really once it starts heating up with the water, all these things, all these vegetables, they come alive. You'll know what I mean later. And then it comes with a chili sauce. So three ingredients that are in this little pot. Okay, so these are the 3. Chili sauce, which has it just says chili sauce on it. Please add. It comes up as please add. Please add chili sauce. Of course, we're going to be doing that. This and this. Alright, and this is the noodles, okay? Just plain noodles in it. So first things first, what I'm going to do, for those viewers who didn't know whether I should put this or that first, this and this can go together. Okay, it doesn't really matter. Or, I remember what I did the last time. I put it in the microwave and later on I added these vegetables, and the reason why I added them was because I didn't want them to get soggy or put in a little too early, and then they kind of don't really have a crispiness to them. It kind of loses crispiness. But for the purpose of those viewers, I will add this and this together. So that's what the whole deal was about in the previous video. So it's pretty simple to just tear open and just put these ingredients in it. As you can see, just a whole bunch of, I think it looks like it's dried beans and some chili flakes along with some cilantro maybe. Yeah, something of that sort. Anyway, that's done. Nissin tastemaker is going to go next, and I'm just going to empty this all in. And this is, I'm telling you, Nissin noodles, I love them. I've tasted a whole bunch of others. This one always is the tops, okay? No matter what flavor, even the chicken flavor is great. The prawn flavor is good too. And so what I like doing is I don't add the chili sauce now. I'm gonna add the hot water to it. So here's my kettle, I'm just gonna add the hot water to it up to the point where there's a little pointer that tells you up to where you need to add the water. So that's what I've done. And I'm not sure if I can actually show you, but this is what it looks like here until now. Okay. The taste. So I'm gonna wait for about 3 minutes for this to marinate, whatever you're gonna call it. So that's what it looks like after pouring the hot water into it. Okay, it's a bit of a mess, but that's, you know, a mess is good when these noodles are concerned. Okay, so that's what it looks. It looks delicious actually. You know, it looks like a real, like you've just cooked something. And of course, this chili sauce is gonna go on after those 3 minutes. Okay, I'm just gonna mix it around, and all you gotta do is just mix it around with all the other ingredients, and that's when we get to do the taste test and the review.